Good day to all. I'm R. Shanti Prabha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. So today we see about the types of digital data. The outline of the digital data is the first one is the introduction, second one is the structured data and unstructured data, and then semi-structured data. The last one is the difference between semi-structured and structured data. The first introduction. So the data growth has seen exponential acceleration since the advent of the computer and the internet. So the computer and the internet will be saving and growing the data is like in the form of the videos, pictures, documents and all. These data, the digital data can be classified into three forms: is unstructured data, semi-structured data and structured data. So the structured data's example is databases and spreadsheets, SQL and OLTP systems. And this is the characteristics of the structured data. So structured data has the characteristics is conforms to the data model. Data is stored in the form of the rows and columns, and data is resides in fixed fields when a record or file, and definitions format, meaning of the data is explicitly known. Attributes in the group or the same similar entities are grouped and conforms the data's model. So that is the characteristics of the structured data, and these are the sources of the structured data. So it's the storage, scalability, security, update and delete. So these are the sources of the structured data, and they are given the advantages and disadvantages of the data. So the next one is the unstructured data. So the unstructured data means in which it cannot be stored in the form of rows and columns as the database, and does not conform to any model. It is difficult to determine the managing the data. It is not follow any rules, and it can be of any type of data. It means it's unpredictable data. It means if we need to save the data, means all the data are in the word file, means you have to easily added, or if all the databases, all the data are in Excel, means is easily, or otherwise is a image file or video file, means is easily updatable. But the unstructured data means is unpredictable data. It means the one data is a image data, the another data is a video data, and one is the Excel data. These data is a mix. So mixing of data is called the unstructured data. So that's why they tell us we cannot be stored in the rows and columns. So like that. So the characteristics of the unstructured data is we cannot be stored in the form of the rows and columns, not in any particular format in the sequence. So any particular format, for example, is a Excel file or video file, all the data are images file. Not like that. All the data will be mixing. So easily usable by the program, and does not follow any rules and or semantics, and has no easily identifiable structure, does not conform to any data model. So this is the unstructured data. So the unstructured data examples they given is like web pages, memos, videos, images, emails, word document, PowerPoint presentation, chats, reports and white paper services. So it means all the data are various methods, various sources are the data. So we are not combine these sources. So that is called the unstructured data. And the next one is a semi-structured data. So it is means a 10% of data if any organization is called the semi-structured data. So it means it's a fully structured, it's not a fully structured data, otherwise it's not a fully unstructured data, it's a semi-structured data. So So semi-structured data means does not conform in any data model but contains tags and elements and cannot be stored in the rows and columns in the database. The tags and elements describe the data is stored. Not sufficient metadata and attributes in a group may not be the same and similar entities are grouped. So this is the semi-structured data. So semi-structured data means the tags are have but it's not a structured data, but this is not a unstructured data, is a semi-structured data. So semi-structured data forms are email, XML, TCP IP packets, zipped file and binary executable files and markup languages and integration of the data from the heterogeneous sources. So these are the semi-structured data. Thank you.